Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a beautiful blue press-on nail set. This is a freestyle, and to start off we're going to be taking the iGel Beauty press-on nails, and these are in medium coffin. Again, they're full cover, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how they look here. There is 10 sizes 0 through 10. So I did already go ahead and file the tips of these nails. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the gel base coat, and I'm using the iGel Beauty base coat. And what I like to do is add a little dot on all the nails and then go ahead and apply it evenly on all the nails. Now I'm going ahead and going in with Heaven Sent from iGel Beauty. That's how it looks. It's a really beautiful light pink color, and I'm going to be applying that on for the index finger all over the nail. Then I'm going to be going in with this really beautiful shade. It's by D&D DC, and it's called Milky Blue. It's one of my favorite blues. It's so beautiful. And I'm going to be putting this color on the thumb and the pinky. Now I'm going to be taking this D&D Platinum shade in the color Jade Platinum, and it's such a pretty blue color. I really like their Platinum collection. The glitters are absolutely beautiful, and I'm going to be putting this all over the ring fingernail. Then I decided to go back in with that Heaven Sent shade, and I went ahead and applied that all over the middle fingernail. So adding a second layer of all the colors is completely optional. It's completely up to you. I really like the color to be really rich in pigment, so I went ahead and did a second layer on all the nails.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. So spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love.
Here I'm taking a really long bristled brush. I believe I got a pack of 3 of these on Shein, but I'm pretty sure you could find them anywhere. I'm pretty sure Amazon has them. And I'm going to be taking that D&D Milky Blue shade and putting it on a mixing palette. I like to separate the nail that I'm going to be doing art on. So here I'm just getting the brush and I'm putting it on the very tip of the nail. It's just as a guide for where my V is going to start at. And I really saturate that brush, and I just go ahead and draw these lines in the shape that I want my V in. I'm going to go back in with that platinum shade, and I'm going to take my dotting tool And I'm going to put a little bit of that platinum shade on the mixing palette and take my little dotting tool, and I'm going to first start off dotting into the milky blue shade and just start doing little dots on the nail. Now I'm going to be going in with the platinum shade and again making dots randomly all over the nail. So last minute I decided to add a outline to my V French with that platinum shade. So you see me doing that here. I just took that same long bristled brush and started outlining the V French. Now this is definitely my favorite part. I decided to go in with some bling. I wasn't sure if I was going to use this color, but I actually ended up using it. Yeah, so these are the stones that I'm using. This one is in size SS8. And then these are some opal blue stones. Really pretty. And here I'm just deciding on what nails I'm going to put bling in and what design am I going to do. So I knew I wanted to put bling on the middle finger. I was just trying to decide here, what should I do? I was indecisive.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny.
So these are the stones I decided to go with for that middle finger. I think that opal stone was going to be really pretty. And I used the Nail Couture gummy gel to stick on the stones. And I like to get a really nice layer of gel, as you can see here. And what I like to do is just spread it all over the nail evenly and spread it out, and then I go ahead and apply the stones right on top of that.
That's true indeed. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day.
After I was done applying stones to the middle fingernail, I was deciding whether or not I wanted to put more stones on any of the other nails. And I ended up deciding on the thumb and the pinky. I felt like it was just missing a little bit of bling on there. So you guys will see the design that I decided to do. And I think it's really nice. I think it all tied together very nicely.
You indicated you indicated I wanna let you know that you that I am what you do. I need to reassure you my love will be purposeless without you. If I want it, I'm gonna ask you. You desire me to be challenge me for the better for you. You indicated you turn my game. I'll push you down.
After you're done curing, this is how it should be looking. And after all is said and done, I go ahead and go on with the iGel Beauty Gel Top Coat. As you guys can see here, I do have two bottles. They're the same top coat. However, one I did cut the bristles on one of them to make it more suitable to go around the gems. So here I'm using the regular brush that it comes with, and you will see in a little bit how the other brush looks that I personally modified. So as you guys can see, I did take the pinky off on its own, and there's the brush that I was talking about. It's the same top coat. Like I said, I just went ahead and cut some of the bristles off of it to make it thinner, and as you guys can see, it just fits so much better around those gems. It's not like a big old brush like the other one, but you could still use it if that's what you have. So yeah, and I'm gonna go ahead and take that modified brush and going around these gems as well. And with this, I really like to take my time. I did fast forward the video, but I do like to take my time because I like to make sure that none of the gel top coat goes on top of the stones. It's okay if you get a little bit, but try not to get it on top of those stones because it does dull out the shine. This is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.